Rum pound cake is a rich and moist dessert infused with the warm aromatic flavor of rum, making it a decadent treat perfect for any party.
There you go, Coconut.
Avast you scallywags, we be setting sail for the fabled island of rum.
Have some fun.
Rum? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! I hope they have coconuts there too! We'll be right here having lots of fun too.
We will.
Start by creaming 1 cup of butter until it's nice and fluffy. That'll take 3 to 5 minutes. See here? This is what it looks like. It's like you activated your butter. We beat in a lot of air into it and it changed into a light lemon yellow color. Add in 3 cups of sugar and 10 ounces of sour cream. Then 6 eggs, 1 at a time. Thoroughly mix in one before adding in the next. We're gonna need that rum soon. A taste of victory awaits us, me hearties. You smell something funny. Oh no! Uh-oh. Sift together 3 cups of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I know, we only need a little bit. And add this in thirds. Add in a third, mix it in. Add in another, mix it in until you're all done. We prepare the pan by brushing on melted shortening and dusting it with flour. We like to do it right before pouring in the batter. This way, it doesn't have a chance to slide down the sides if our kitchen is a little too hot or something.
Good thing we have some rum extract.
2 tablespoons of rum extract will work. Or you can add in 1/4 cup of light rum too. The alcohol will bake right out and leave a delicious taste. If you really want to booze it up, poke holes in it after it's cooled and drizzle in a little bit on top. Tap your pan on the counter a few times to get it into all the crevices and crannies. And bake for 1 to 1 1/4 hours or until a skewer comes out clean. Well, shiver me timbers! We're headed for a quacking disaster! Aha! You said it. Well, blow me down, Coconutta. You saved the day. Oh, shucks, Captain. 'Twas nothing but a spitball. Let it cool in the pan for 10 to 20 minutes. You can see it's already pulling away from the edge. Slice off the dome. Yay! The icing is really easy. Whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk as you need to get it to dripping consistency. We add in 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. It goes so well with the rum. And spoon it on. We decorated it with slivered almonds. Leave a comment. Leave a comment.
Yeah, leave a comment. It makes our day.